Yo, what's good, guys? Today we're going to be going over the top NFT projects in the month of May. And thank you for clicking on this video because most people don't. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Alright, as you can see on my screen here, this is the project. This is the best project I'm into right now. It's called Rebels by Night, and they're absolutely insane. The art blows my mind. Look at this key to detail. Like, you can't tell me this art isn't crazy of how it looks. Like, look at that, man. That insane attention to detail. Look how hard they've edited this so much. Like, look at the details of this art piece. It's absolutely insane. They have so many sneak peeks. You guys have to check them out by yourself. But look at this. They're releasing this month, and if you can get your hands on one whitelist, it'll be great. Let me tell you already. I mean, look at their website. Absolutely insane. Look how timed they actually put so much detail into it. Scroll down. So their digital identity, you'll be able to evolve your NFT from Rebels. It's kind of like the meta on Bored Ape Serum. In Rebels, it's a next-gen NFT platform. They're going to transform their digital identity. You'll be able to customize your own NFT, which is absolutely insane. And we haven't seen that in the NFT space. Their team, some of these people on the team have actually worked for Facebook and all these big companies, so that you know they've actually worked hard and their team is fully doxed and they're compromised of good members and team members. So this is when it comes to the distribution. They have nearly 13,000 NFTs. 10% of the people get free. This elite roll, very hard to get. 4% of the whitelisted and 45% of the public sale. So they're not doing it for the money. These prices are actually really low, considering most NFT projects now go for 1 ETH, and that's pretty hard. Like $2,000, like bruh, that's so much. And really, these videos are absolutely insane. Like they in their new sneak peek, they've actually had thing where they said they're gonna release soon. Like right here, it says coming soon or something like that at some point. And so that means they're probably releasing this month, and that's all we know about it yet. Their utility is absolutely insane, and their art is insane. And trust me, just talk to the founders, and trust me, you'll get involved into the project instantly. Number 2 on our list is Garbage Friends. Now this is made by the founders of Invisible Friends, Motion Marcus, and he's actually really well known, and they have gotten more followers than him, which is surprising. And they have a lot of hype. 140,000 followers is absolutely insane. Influencer friendly, so they're kind of going into the brand space as well. And like I said before this project Rebels, that art is insane. I really like the cartoony design and the key to detail, like these little flies, the things in the background, the little trees, the cities. It really displays that garbage type of tone, but it's still insane. Engagement's really nice, 16,000 likes, so you know they're not botted or anything like that. And they're really enveloped in interacting with other NFT creators as well, which we don't see a lot with these good projects or bad projects. And art is garbage. What you really need is influencers. Garbage Friends is happy to announce we're taking steps to become the most influencer-friendly collection to date. And really, influencers are only growing by the space of TikTok and social media. So this is going to be good for the utility as well, if you're in it for the utility, which I recommend. And really, look at this cartoony design. They're getting art designs from everyone, everything like that. So now here comes the utility. These are just ideas, are not official, but I can definitely see these being official. IRL garbage airdrop. I don't really know what that means, but all I know, I do sort of know what it means, but still kind of confusing. You need to clean it up though, obviously. NFT influencer boxing sounds kind of clean and entertaining. I'm into that. Real garbage friend, me. I don't know what that means. Garbage talk hotline. Oh, that's pretty basic, but I still understand the utility. And even if you're in this for a quick flip, it's definitely worth it because they nearly have 140,000 followers. So yeah, Feeling Garbage might delete later. So they were actually pretty active before, but now they haven't really tweeted anything since April. So yeah, can't really say anything about this project other than it's probably going to be a good flip. But yeah, that's it for project number 2. As you can see on my screen, number 3 is going to be Moonwalkers. You may not have heard of this because it's kind of low key. 66,000 followers. That's pretty good. Still good though, and none of the people are following it yet. So this is going to be really good. It's kind of low key, but I think it's a bit risky, but still high risk, high reward. So Moonwalkers, get ready for landing. It's basically about the artist. It's a world-renowned 3D artist with over 100,000 followers across platforms. So they've doxed the owner And I've actually searched this dude up, and he's kind of well known, and I really like his idea of art. And yeah, they really down it in space artwork, which we never really seen a space NFT before, and I think this could go big, honestly. So yeah, these NFTs in the past that he's made have sold for pretty hefty amounts: 3 Ethereum, 3.3 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum, and I kind of like the website design of how far you can scroll down and stuff. But yeah, pretty hefty amount. I mean, he's not really famous like Invisible Friends owner or anything like that, but it goes to show that he's pretty well known, including he's worked for several movie like industries like Warner Bros, Def Jams, Paramount Records, all like film industry people. Liam is no stranger. Yeah, he isn't. I really like this type of art. I'm not a huge fan, but I still kind of like it. I kind of dig it. Those little planets and then the like astronaut type of tone suit. And yeah, they want to raise more eyes to escape the dream for little kids, people, everyone. And yeah, they're gonna bring benefits into the guests, so it's a bit risky, I'm saying, but this is where the true utility comes in. Project Genesis, they're gonna be utilities. It comes from lean minds, and then parenting your own NFT. Your art can come out from your wallet into real life, so you're gonna be able to print it out for free. Pretty basic NFT. I'm not gonna go utility. I'm not gonna have the merch. Pretty basic, but this is where I think it's gonna get more spicy. NFT event exclusive access. This is only for really big projects, so I think it could go great for them because most NFT projects aren't doing event exclusive access. You only see these event exclusive access for Bored Ape Yacht Club and maybe CryptoPunks. You never see it for these small projects like these. Workshop conference. This is going to be good for famous athletes, successful entrepreneurs, as they're promising. That'll be really good for connections and actually can help you make more money. Paralog flight opportunity. So you're going to be able to go into weightlessness, so basically no gravity, and you're gonna be able to feel like an astronaut in Tampa, Florida, and France. But that's pretty nice. Moonwalkers. So as you can see, they're insane 8 pieces of utility, which is actually gonna be really good for the NFT, and I think it's gonna be a really good flip. And they have 26,000 members in their Discord, and they're launching in May 15th. So I think you have a really good chance at whitelist for this project. Guys, that's the last project, and if you can smash this video to 20 likes, then I'll drop another one tomorrow. But that's gonna be pretty hard. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and that's gonna be it. Peace.